Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you a quick DIY everything but the bagel seasoning recipe. I use this seasoning almost on everything. I think it's such a quick, easy way to get a ton of flavor, but I do hate buying a small little bottle for $1.99, so I figured why not make my own version of the seasoning? There's not a ton of ingredients, so I figured it would be easy. So if you guys love everything but the bagel seasoning like I do, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is what the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend looks like from Trader Joe's. I wanted to share with you the ingredients so that you know exactly what's in the Trader Joe's version versus my own, which happens to be exactly the same. So very, very easy recipe. You can read exactly what ingredients go in it. The one thing is you can play around with the quantities. First thing I got was some minced garlic. Then I have some black sesame seed. Next up, I have some poppy seeds. Next up, I've got some hulled sesame seeds. So I've got black and white sesame seeds. And then, of course, chopped onions, which I got a big container from Costco. And of course, you need some salt. Now, I didn't add too much salt so that I can add salt later in any of the recipes that I'm using this in. And basically, dump everything into a big bowl. So I dumped my minced garlic, my black sesame seeds. I only used about half the container since I was using black and white sesame seeds. Some of my poppy seeds. Again, I just used half the container since I didn't want it to be too overly poppy. And then some minced onion. One thing I will add is I wish I would have toasted the minced onions to give it a little bit more flavor. And then sesame seeds. And then I added some salt, not too much because again, I wanted to be able to play around with how much salt I added. And then you just mix it all up, give it a good mix. And I decided to pour mine into a mason jar so that it was easy to kind of store and keep away. And really, that's it. This is my version, and then I'll compare it to the Trader Joe's version. So a lot tinier, which means that mine is definitely a bigger bang for your buck, but it looks exactly the same and so incredibly easy to make. All right, there you guys go. That is my version of the everything but the bagel seasoning. Super easy, not a ton of ingredients, and definitely a bigger bang for your buck. You can see that I am able to make a lot more than what I buy from Trader Joe's. So this will last me a very long time, and if I run out, I have all the ingredients still. So if you guys love this recipe, if you like making DIY versions of things that you find at the store, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.